Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Samsung launched their new mid-range smartphone with a big battery, the Galaxy F41, with a 6000 mAh battery and 64 megapixel camera, cheaper than the last launched Galaxy M31. So, the Samsung Galaxy F41 has 6000 mAh battery that has designed to keep that party going. It can last up to 26 hours of a video playback, days of a phone calls, or just browsing the web for 21 hours straight. So the phone is designed and made in India, and the full on marketing make it very clear that it's aimed to a young crowd. Still, the flashy marketing can conceal the Galaxy M31 that hides inside this phone. F41 has a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1080p plus resolution. It promises 110 coverage of the NTSC color gamut and peak brightness of 420 nits. Inside the familiar Exynos 9611 chipset, 4A73 and 4A53 Cortex Male G72 MP3 octa-core CPU running Android 10 and with One UI Core 2.1 as well. Much more important is the camera. The 64 megapixel module on the rear and 32 megapixel selfie camera are offer several modes and filter that vary from useful to fun. Single take is the best one. It shoots 742 and 3 videos simultaneously and lets you pick the one you want to keep it. The rear camera can record 4K video and offers hyperlapse and boomerang modes. There is also 123 field degree ultra wide camera with 8 megapixel sensor on the back plus a live focus camera, a deep sensor. The fingerprint reader is mounted on the back side as well. The phone come and bundle it with a 15-volt charger, which is not fast by any means. It needs 2 hours and 40 minutes for 0 to 100% to charge full of this Galaxy F41. So the Samsung Galaxy F41 will be available in India from October 16. Pre-order will start soon. Flipkart is offering it at special big balloons day price of Indian rupees 15,500, down from the regular Indian rupees 17,000 price tag. The 128 gigabytes option is available in 16,500 INR to Flipkart right now and will go up to 18,000 INR once the promo runs out. The phone will also available from Samsung.com and selected retailer. Note that the Galaxy M31 got for a INR 18,000 or so far. So this is the latest Galaxy F41, the mid-range and 6000 mAh battery, which is really great, and also 4K video recording. So this is amazing. 64 megapixel camera. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this phone, and make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.